Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a homemade irrigation system. So basically we are going to use our Arduino Uno, a moisture sensor. I have two types of moisture sensor, but I'm going to use this one. I'm going to show you the other type that I have right here. It's this one. I'm working on making a video using this one or both of them. So I'm going to need jumper wires. I think that's enough. I'm going to use this small proto board. Let me take out this buzzer. I'm going to use this yellow LED, a resistor, plus two resistors, this simple relay module, this one, and let me take this out. I'm going to use this water pump, 12-volt water pump. And this tube. I'm going to use this one. Some cables. And a 12-volt power supply. So let's start with the Arduino. Here I'm going to take this all out. I'm going to plug this GND to the negative port of this LED. Like this. In the positive port will go to the digital port in the Arduino. Then GND, let me connect this to the relay. So the GND I'm going to connect to the GND on the proto board, and then GND here on the sensor. I'm going to connect to the GND on the here in the sensor. I'm going to connect the GND VCC and the analog output. So I'm going to connect these digital ports, pin 7, pin 6, the red LED, pin 7, the green LED, green or yellow, and pin 8, the relay. Then here I'm going to connect the VCC, 5 volts. VCC of this relay module to VCC of the Arduino 5 volts. Also the analog output to analog output 0, and the GND to GND. GND of this protoboard to the GND of the Arduino. Like this. Then let me open this cable right here. Going to use this purple cable, and I'm going to connect it to one of the ports of the relay. The other side of the relay, I'm going to connect to the VCC, 12 volts VCC of the water pump. As you can see. Like this. So here I'm going to connect this purple cable to the power supply, to the 12 volt power supply. Let me open the cable real quick. Going to connect to the positive of the power supply. This is 20 volts AC to 12 volts, adjustable 12 volts DC power supply, 12 amps. So the negative of the water pump to the negative of the power supply. Sorry. Don't have a lot of space here. So connected, and it's all for the schematics. This tube will go in here, and that's all for the schematics.
So guys, here programming, we set here the sensor being phase 0, load 0, and the value will be 0, and the relay is so it will be 8, and the green being 7, red 10, and the negative 10, 0.8, so 3, and here is set up. I mean, this is 0 again to red output. So here, when the value is equal to change, you will read the data. When you connect when you upload code, you will read the data and you will set the parameters. So here 60 and 400. So when the value is above or equal 60, when the value is false, here if it's true, so you relay to 0 and it is right. And that means we have read it below for 1 second. And here if the value is below or equal to 400 and fails true, so the relay will start and the counter will turn on, the relay will turn off and the relay will turn on for 1 second and the whole loop will be reading in 1 second. So let's go the test. For that, let me upload. Let me put here relay low. Oh no, let me keep it like that because it's dry. So let's go to the test.
So guys, here we are. I have here soil, dry soil. I have this tube right here and the 12-volt pump over there. This the sensor I put here. So I set my parameters already. Then here I have the LEDs. So guys, here I have the dry soil. I have the pump already submerged in the water. The power supply is on, and let me turn on the Arduino, and you will see the pump won't turn on because the sensor is wet. You see? But let me turn off the Arduino and put here the sensor in dry soil. The pump turns on and turns off when the soil is dry. You see? So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your like, subscribe and share.